Having trouble with your payroll deductions and benefits? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many small business owners find this part of the process a bit confusing, but with Wave Payroll, it's a straightforward task that'll take you just a few minutes. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how you can set up deductions and benefits for your employees, ensuring everything is accurate for their paychecks and for your records. First, you need to navigate to your employee list within Wave. Once you're there, select the employee you need to add a benefit or deduction for. You'll then see a menu specific to that employee. Find the Benefits and Deductions tab and click on it. This is where you'll manage all of the additions and subtractions to their gross pay. Next, you'll click the Add to Pay or Deduct from Pay button. Wave will then give you a list of options to choose from. For a pre-tax benefit like a 401k contribution or a health savings account, HSA, you'll select the appropriate option and fill in the details, such as the amount or percentage. Remember, these types of deductions are taken out before taxes are calculated, which can lower your employee's taxable income. On the other hand, for a post-tax deduction, such as a Roth 401k contribution or a wage garnishment, you'll select that option. These are taken out after the employee's gross pay has been taxed. It's a key distinction to make. Once you've entered the information for the deduction or benefit, just hit Save. The new benefit or deduction will automatically be applied to the employee's next approved payroll run. It's that simple. You can always review the details and see the impact on their pay stub before you finalize payroll. For a deeper dive, Wave provides a payroll benefits and deductions report so you can easily track all of these payments and ensure compliance. This report is your best friend when it comes to reconciling your accounts and preparing for tax season. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.